you'll still be my star. Maybe 'cause in the dark you can see shiny cars. That's when you need me there. With you I'll always share. Because when the sun shines, we'll shine together. Told you I'm I took a pill in Ibiza to show Avicii I was cool. And when I finally got sober, felt 10 years older. But fuck it, it was something to do. I'm living out in LA.
I said, settle down, everything is fine. Take your eyes off the floor. She said, no, I'm not, no, I'm not.
I with the ball, bang, the bang. Where I find I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much. But it's fun to fantasize. All my enemies who wouldn't get you I was. But it's fun to fantasize. I'm boring, so I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm bored, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I die for you. It's easy to say, we have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't see the see many bullets coming from. See many bullets coming from, metaphorically, I'm the man. But literally, I don't know what I do. I do it for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you're willing to let it. When people back home are talking to you, and then you think you understand. All these questions, they're older, like, would you live on, would you not know it? Would you ever do? I'm boring.
Sometimes.
Every day I'm shuffling. Feels good.